Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply video effects in YouTube recording. Go to the settings and tap on the option advanced features, tap on video effects. Okay, so first of all, we need to enable the video effects. Then after this one, you can change the color and also you can change the background. Okay, so now here I already add one background image. If you want to change the background image, tap on the plus icon. It will directly open your gallery and from here you can easily select one image. Here I am going to change this image, tap on done. Now you can see this image is selected. Now you can easily open your YouTube camera or live option. Then you can easily change, then it will apply on your video YouTube recording. You can easily record with the background. So simply in this way we can apply the video effects in YouTube recording. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.